Hello everyone, it's Justine. I hope you're doing so well today. I'm going to use the clear Stampin' Die of the month with the stitch die of the month and just make a really cute ocean themed stitch card. And I also am using the 3D embossing folder of the month. So this one is called Scattered Shells. The stitch die is called Stitched Shell Card Front. And the stamp set is called Water You Up To, as in water. So I used that stamp as an ode to the set's name, and let's just go ahead and start assembling. To put on my big stitched frame, I used double-sided adhesive, and I'm going to put that right on my card base, like so. Then I have my middle panel. Now this one was done with like a pearlized cardstock. You can see it definitely has a little bit of a shine there. And this middle piece goes right in there, and there is a right and a wrong way to put this one in. So I'm just going to make sure I have the right side up before I start gluing things down. So yes, that's the direction it goes. So I'm going to just hopefully put it in the right spot. If you have not checked out this month's clubs, go ahead and do that. I do not think you're going to be disappointed, especially if you like under the sea ocean themed things. This month's clubs are almost all about that. So today is the 6th of June, so you can go ahead and subscribe to new clubs if you're interested. I will have everything linked in the description that I'm using, so you can check that out if you need it. But if you're already a club member and you're just here for inspiration, hello, I hope you get your items quickly and you get to craft. Maybe we can craft together. I love seeing what other people make with all of the club items. So the best way to show me what you're making is to join my Facebook group. I have that linked in the description. It has just over 5,500 people on it, so you can only imagine all the inspiration that people are showing. It's just wonderful. I just am blessed and excited every time I go on there and see what other people are making. It's just wonderful. So check out that club, check out that Facebook group in the description, and I hope you join. You just have to answer a few questions and you'll be good to go. Now for the shells themselves, you can see they definitely have a pearlized look because I used the Spellbinders brushed paper for the shells, and I used the white, and it's just so pretty. It has a little shine to it. I love it. So I will link that in the description as well. This paper is so pretty when you use embossing folders with it. Oh, I just love it. And then there's also the black paper that is this brushed paper. It is so pretty. And with an embossing folder, especially a 3D embossing folder, oh man, the paper just comes right to life. So it's just wonderful. Now, if you're wondering how in the world did you stitch on those little shells? Well, I did post a video already using this stitch die, and I went through how I stitch the shells. So if you're interested, go ahead and check out that video. It's on my channel. It has a whale on that one, so you get to see me use the whale die on there. But I really do go kind of slow and step by step show you how I stitch. So if you're looking for instructions with that, check that out. And if you are an avid stitcher and are looking for stitching inspiration, please check out the playlist on my channel called Stitching on Cards, where I have all sorts of inspiration with Spellbinders dies that are stitching. All sorts of Spellbinders stitch dies. Alright, now I'm almost done with my shells here, and then I'm going to add some embellishments. Now on my other stitch card I used these, which are the taupe, but I'm going to use the oyster ones on this one because the shells are more white, and I think that that would be really pretty. So we're just going to go for it and use these pearls. Oh, that looks really good with this cardstock. Okay, yay. This is turning out just right. Also, the stamp that I have going on here, I just stamped with some VersaFine Black Onyx ink and then used some clear embossing powder to give it a little bit of shine, and then I used some Copic markers to color the little scene here on the background, and I just kept it simple with just an ocean little scene, no critters, no octopus or whale on this card, but just kept it kind of fun and just kind of water themed. So that was kind of the vision that I had here with this one. Now I feel like I need a little bit more gems, so I'm going to use the next biggest gem and put those. I'm going to put one here on that circle and then one on the other side, just because why not? Now if you're going to mail this card, of course you need to figure out a good way to mail it, because this is a bumpy card. Just saying. Alrighty, well, that finishes up this card. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope that you get to craft soon. And I hope that you check out this month's club items. I will have everything linked in the description if you're interested in seeing it there. I hope you have a great rest of your day. We'll see you next time. Bye!